Hello, my lovelies, and welcome to Amanda's Crafty Corner. I am Amanda, and this is my Crafty Corner. Today, I have an unboxing of 3 products, so 1 diamond painting and 2 cross stitch from Fansells. That's FANSELLS.com. Now, Fansells is fantastic. They have really fast shipping. They do cross stitch, diamond painting. They are doing waxing now, like the little wax seals. They have a whole bunch of stuff. Also, for your convenience, if you head on over there and you purchase something, if you put my name Amanda, you will get an additional 5% off your products. But anyways, we will get into the lovely unboxing. I'm actually going to start with the diamond painting first, as there's only one and there's 2 cross stitch. So I won't lie, I fell in love with her, and you will see why. It is almost like a watercolor. Told you, me and bags. Every video, me and bags. So it is a 30 by 30. I'll just put her here. So here's your toolkit, tray, wax, pen. Again, I don't use these pens. I do, however, use the tray and the wax. So we're going to just stick that behind me for now. And I'm just going to grab my lovely tool. As I flip it, this is mine. I know it's not as big, but here we go. This is the beautiful girl. It's a fairy. Like I said, it's almost like a watercolor. Just going to do this. I'm going to use my left hand. So I thought she was gorgeous when I saw her. So I'm like, yes, yes, you're going to get her. She has 21 colors. She is a round diamond painting. This one will only take me a couple hours to do. It's very, very fast, very small, as it's, like I said, 30 by 30. I'm trying to make sure that you get no glare. Isn't she beautiful? As you can tell, there's a lot of that. I believe it's 3865, so it's not entirely white. It's almost like a cream or like an off-white, but let's look at the colors. I'm actually going to open it. So they're with the small bags. I'm not a fan of these tiny, tiny bags because this all could have been in one giant bag. But I digress. It's the way that they do it. It's fine. It's all going to go into one container. But they did it for, it looks like, a lot of them. I mean, it's very shiny. So there we go. That is our diamond painting, which will go into my stash. Just going to put that off to the side. Let's get into the goodies. What everybody likes. Sorry, I'm just going to peel over. So they are the crinkle bags. I'm so sorry. If I could open the crinkle bags. I do have some freezer bags beside me that I will grab in a moment. I'm just too excited to show you. So this can go away. I'll grab 2 freezer bags. And yep, there's my 2. Put that there. So it's an 11 count. It's a 40 by 40. 148 by 148. It is a little raccoon family. It is with my favorite brand. Besides, the Joy Sunday one, the generic brand. Oh my goodness, it's my favorite. And here we go. So as usual, they print their instructions for cross stitch right here at the bottom. Let's take a look at the paper. Okay. Wow, so this actually has 43 colors. 43 colors. That is amazing. And number 43 is, of course, all of the white. But here we go. It doesn't have any backstitching, even though in the picture it looks like it does. There is no backstitching. Absolutely none. This is the image here. Um, yeah, and I will show you the colors. Get as close as possible. We have 43 colors. Oh, the detail is going to be amazing. Let's take a look at the actual canvas. And of course, as usual, before we take a look, your kit, needle threader, your, I'm going to call this like a thimble, but it's more like a ring, and a pom-pom with your 5 needles. Throw that on that desk. So like I said, oh, it's been serged for our convenience. It is 43 colors, full stitch. There is no back stitching, even though on the image it shows it. So we'll see how that turns out. There is quite a bit of confetti, as you can tell at the bottom here, but that's okay. We like confetti. Okay, this one is not, I don't believe this is printed on the new canvas, but that's okay. That's okay because this is an 11 count anyways. It is stiff, so I'll just, scrunch, 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 scrunch to make it loose. But let's look at the colors. Like I said, there are 43, 43 colors. And as usual, in the description box below, I will have the links for all 3 products. So we've got 2 extra skids of the white. So soft. I'll put that there. And the 43 colors. Sorry, I'm just trying to do this. So I'm just trying to separate. We'll put that there. So we have 1, as I try to separate it more, 1 to 18, which has your pinks. You got some blues and grays, some navy. I'm not seeing any black yet. Oh, nope, even that one's like a navy blue. Here's 19 to 36. And then I'll put this one here. We have 37 to 43. As you can tell, 43 only has 1 because it's the last, because of all the skids is what I'm trying to say. But look how pretty that is. Um, Please comment on which one you like. Please let me know. Do you prefer diamond paintings over cross stitch? So I'm just going to put that in there. And I'm just going to quickly put this in a bag just so that everything stays together. Yep, that's good. And then I have a little box beside me for all of my cross stitch. Okay, let's get into the second one. So it's like the first one. It is a family. It is a little fox family. This time, again, I'm so sorry. I'm just going to toss this beside me so I can throw it out. Toolkit. This one has a cheetah. This one, which one was it? Oh, this one had the deer. Little deer. And a cheetah jaguar thing. So, this one's again 11 count, 40 by 40, 148 by 148. We have the instruction book. Here, I'll show you the image. Fox family. This one has 42 colors. That's okay. 42 is still good. Same thing. It is a full stitch. There is no back stitching. No back stitching whatsoever, but you can at least see the foxes. They're the green. You can see Mama, Papa with their tails, and the 2 kids. Well, I think the 2 kids are here. Either way, It is cute. And guess what? There is no smudging on here. They actually folded it while it's dry. Oh, so pretty. Let's take a look at the canvas and then we will look at the colors. So again, serged for our convenience. Here it is with all the colors. It's actually printed very nice. Even the other one, I don't think I said it, but this is printed so nicely. This, I mean, it's a little blurry, but it's a tiny little thumbnail, so I'm not gonna be nitpicky. But yes, we have some block stitching, but a lot of confetti. But a lot of it's, I'll show you like this. A lot of it, is combined. Like it's very easy. It'll be a very easy stitch even with all the confetti. I'm actually going to fold it. No, not like that. Like this. And like this for my bag. That works too. That's okay if it keeps doing this. Yeah, you can see all the bags beside me, but that's okay. It's gonna go in the garbage. Keep that there. Let's take a look at the yummy, yummy colors. Not that you can eat them, but they are gorgeous colors. Again, one day I will get the knack of opening bags. So again, 2 skids of the white. And then we're gonna flip, 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 flip. I'll do this card first. So here we have 1 to 18. A lot of neutral colors, mostly greens and a little bit of browns, off browns. So pretty. And then we have number 19 to 36. Again, your reddish oranges, your deep red that's there, some blues and grays. Oh, so pretty. And then number 37 to 42. So, so pretty. Oh, it nodded, but that's okay. So, yes, there are my 2 cross stitches and my diamond painting. Again, please like, comment. You can share my videos if you'd like. Let me know which one you liked out of the 3 of them. Please let me know if you want to see more cross stitch or diamond paintings on my channel, and I will do my best to do it. But for now, I hope everyone has a good day. Bye, my lovelies.